Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some emerald struts, as you can see. Pretty much replacing the rear boot struts, because what this is these ones are supposed to be where as soon as I press the key to open the trunk will open itself. It just obviously saves, you know, when you go to the shop and you have those bags in your hand, saves you having to put it down, put in the key, get the key out and unlocking it. This way, hold the boot button and then it just opens by itself. Yeah, so obviously we're replacing these struts here and obviously these crappy metal plastic shits. But yeah, we're replacing these. Yeah, so we're replacing those with these here. So as you can see, it's got the spring in the bottom. I asked for the metal joints because obviously it's better instead of having the plastic as you've seen before. But I'm going to fit this on, and yeah, let's get to it. Before we start the video, I just want you to just smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the post notification so you never miss another video of mine. But yeah, let's get to fitting these bad boys. So what we're going to do is put the flathead through this little gap, and then just take the spring out. So what you do is take this little pin out, and then the pin goes up like this, and then it just closes like so, and then that's pretty much done. Same again for that. You just want to stick that pin in like so, and then it just closes up like that. It's quite simple, but yeah, and then obviously closing it is a bit hard, but it should just open pretty good. It's done, and that comes out like that. Perfect. That's the old one. You can see a difference in the old one compared to the new one. Obviously that's metal and that's shitty plastic. You can see it's all eaten away inside and everything. Yeah, so show you again. So this metal bit here, you just want to undo this metal and slip that out. You want to put it in there, and once you've done that, you want to find the hole again, which is that there. Slip that in like so. And just pull clip like that. Perfect. And same again for here. Just gonna slip that out. Well, and then you obviously press the button. It just opens up by itself. I think it's just something quite cool. For me, it's quite handy because you go shopping and everything like that, and you just, and yeah, it's pretty much done. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and there will be something coming soon, aka exhaust. But we'll get to that on the next video. Peace. Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.